This might just be the best thing you get to tackle mould and musty smells in your home. This is the Emperial 12L Dehumidifier. It uses an efficient compressor to pull moisture out of the air and replace it with fresh airflow, keeping your home dry and fresh. It has an advanced sensor to measure humidity, and you can set the exact level you want. Once it's reached, it switches off automatically to save energy. It works in every room, living room, bedroom, even the bathroom, keeping everything dry without any fuss. It has a large 1.8 litre tank that can collect up to 12 litres a day, or you can attach the hose for continuous drainage, perfect for long-term use. Say goodbye to damp, musty smells and hello to a fresher, healthier home.